I'm teaching you how to thread your industrial weaving machine. So this is the process to follow. So this is the first thread with your picker. Pass it through this hole, take it behind and pass it again. So you can see the first hole here and there's another hole this way. So you pass it through the two places, then it goes through here like this. Take it under, pass it through this place like this. Going to appear under, drag it, and then pass it through here. We'll continue with this one. There are two here. This is one, the shorter one. There's a longer one. Pass it through the shorter one. Then right here you see two O. You pass it through the first one. And it's supposed to pass through here. This point. So this is the hole right here. Pass the thread through it. And then that it bring it outside this way. And if you quickly move the camera, so you can see I'm bringing it out. Bring it out this way. Then rotate the machine. Once you rotate it, you see this. There's hole right here. That's where we're going to put the thread. You can see the thread, right? Pass it through the hole. That's the thread right here. Drag it. Make sure nothing is obstructing the movement. And we touch. So we successfully put one thread. So easy. That threading one, bring it outside. So this is one. Now we'll be using the second thread, passing the second thread through it. Just like we did the first one, we pass it through the first hole. The first hole is usually on top. So I'm moving this. This is the first hole. This is the second one. So you pass it through the first hole. You pass it through the first, drag it, bring it backward, then you pass it through the second. So here you pick it up and pass it through this hole. Position it properly. Come down, pick the thread, pass it through this place. Then it will also go down this hole as the second one. You notice if you are using a three threaded machine, you see two hole here. And if it is four threaded machine, you see three hole here. Start doing this, pass it through here, and then the longer one, then this hole.